Introducing this beautiful 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Featuring a BraunAbility side entry, automatic in-floor ramp and kneel system. This wheelchair conversion van only has around 46,000 miles, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and a very clean cloth interior. With removable front driver and passenger seats, and a full front and center tie-down system. Regain your mobility freedom with this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan wheelchair conversion van. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services.